There's nothing in writing that you will find that I told anybody to disobey federal court order.
Nothing in writing, he says, but for the second time in his career, Alabama Chief Justice Roy Moore is under suspension tonight.
This time, the controversy stems from a January order to state probate judges telling them not to issue same-sex marriage licenses. CBS 42 News reporter Mike McClanahan joins us live in Montgomery. He's been covering this. Certainly two sides to this story, Mike.
Well, Sherry, from their headquarters overlooking the Alabama Supreme Court, the president of the Southern Poverty Law Center tells me he is pleased with the suspension of Chief Justice Roy Moore. Now, the SPLC filed complaints related to this issue. The Judicial Inquiry Commission has now charged Moore with abusing his authority and failing to perform his duties impartially. Now, the JIC says Moore's order directed or appeared to direct probate judges to violate a federal court injunction that they were required to obey. It says they were not allowed to deny marriage licenses to same-sex couples based on state law or any state Supreme Court decision. Moore's attorney, Matt Staver, with the Liberty Counsel, argues that the Judicial Inquiry Commission has overstepped its bounds.
Well, in 2003, Moore was thrown off the bench because he defied a federal court order. This time, he's suggested or told 68 probate judges to violate a federal court order. So I think it's much, much worse. And I think the Court of the Judiciary will absolutely consider the case very carefully. But I think that ultimately they'll do the same thing they did before, throw him off the bench.
The charges are outrageous. We believe that these charges have no basis, no foundation, and we'll get them dismissed. We'll go before the Court of Judiciary, and we will get these cases and these charges dismissed. Moreover, in addition to that, we will go after the members of the JIC who leaked this information to the media before these charges were made public.
Now, Staver says that unlike the 2003 Ten Commandments controversy, Chief Justice Moore is not a federal defendant in this case. He claims that the complaint is politically motivated. Now, unless Chief Justice Moore reaches a settlement, there could be a trial before the Alabama Court of the Judiciary. Live in Montgomery, Mike McClanahan, CBS 42 News.
Thank you, Mike. We want to know what you think. Should Roy Moore be removed from his office for his actions in opposing same-sex marriage? Let us know your thoughts on our web poll right now. You can access it by going to our website at WIAT.com.